Hey guys, all right. So uh for the midterm Bitcoin trades, right? Okay, so this is going to be the fourth update, right? What have happened and what I'm looking forward on the next move, right? Okay, so let's go and see, right, guys? Hope everyone's doing good, right? And yeah, let's go. So before we go on, jump out for the Bitcoin current move, right? Let's see on our previous our long-term trades, right? Okay, so till over here I have booked almost two profits. That was of 2%. That was already done on a midterm, right? If you have not checked, this is the continuations from the part 4, right? And this is going to be the part 5, right? Okay, and yeah, so as soon as the market is not breaking out, I told you all it's fine, but when the market happens to break out from our retest phase, we had to close that one, right? So the market, we had to close our previous trade, right? Long holding trades from here, right? And that becomes a shots all the way to a downside, right? Okay, so we had to close over here, whereby we could get only 2%. Now what's next, right? Okay, so next move, what I'm expecting on Bitcoin, right? Okay, so we have came to this zone, right? $63,000 now, right? Okay, so you might be thinking, what's next move, guys? All right. All right, okay, into next, right? For the gold lovers also, I'm going to update you all the videos, right? For that, keep hitting a subscribe button, all right? And yeah, the gold lovers also, right? Your next plan is coming soon, right? And next is gold lovers. I'm uploading you all the videos on the gold next plans, right? You can keep you can check it soon, right? Okay, so yeah, nothing much to worry for the gold lovers as well. So let's go. So I can see this move with the two views. One is coming back for the sideways, right? Okay, one, I would love I'll see the market to come back to the sideways one more time, right, inside this box, right? So right now we are in the verge of converting our move towards the shorts or the longs, right? Okay, guys, so from here what I'm going to do is, right, I'm doing nothing over here, I'm just watching it right now, all right? Okay, so in fact, if the market happens to fall back below maybe around 62,000 $62,644, right? Let me mark this one with the different colors, right, guys? Maybe green, right? Okay, because that's going to be my opening positions, right, guys? Okay, so in fact, if the market happens to come and break down below this levels, right, and settles below, right? Okay, so next move, I'm going to open short positions from here. I'm waiting for the market to give a small breakouts and small pullback on upper side, right? Okay, as soon as this clears out, I'm going to go for the one short positions, right? You should know that a dragon is not a certified financial advisor, right, guys? Whatever you do it, you do your own research. This is not for a financial advice, this is only for the education purpose, so I'm just showing you all what I'm thinking about, right? Okay, guys, so most probably the planning above this levels, right? I mean, like my stop loss may be around I'm going to target a 1.8%, and I'm going to target for 3.73. That's going to be 1:2 targets, right, from here. But in fact, all right, in fact, if the market happens to, right, rather than getting a breakdown below this zone, right, rather than creating a sideways, right, in fact, if the market happens to come up and break up above these levels, I'm just waiting for the small breakouts on the upper side, and rather than going for the sharp positions, right? Okay, so in this last move, I will be calculating my shorts or the longs, right? Okay, from this zone. All right, okay, so this, if it goes down and breaks down, then I'm going to go for the one short positions with the 1:2. All right, but in fact, if it happens to come up and break out above this level, $63,572, I'm going to go for the big longs and upper side one more time, right? Maybe targeting around $66,248 on upper side. So this is going to be, right now we have not reached to the conversion point, right? It's about to give you all one-sided move, right, with the stop losses below this levels, right? And my target is going to be 4% on upper side. That's going to be again a 1:2 trades for me. All right, okay, so I'm for a long-term holding, right? Okay, this is a plan for now. All right, okay, so next plan, right? Let's see if we get it right. Okay, so but you make your own research before you move in, right? Okay, so I'm going to observe these levels so carefully for my long holdings, right guys? Okay, so then only I'm going to react accordingly. All right, in case if it happens to give me the shots one more time, I can go for that one as well, and I have a plans for the longs as well. Whichever side it decides to come in, right, I'm going to go for that one, right? Till then I need to have patience to observe the market well, so that I can go for the good moves, right, later on, right guys? Okay, so there is a chances again, a chances market trying to go up till this levels and trying to come down as well. So we need to be very careful whether it gives a breakouts and clarify this levels or not, right? Sometimes what the second plan, right, in fact our first plan is done, right, and the second plan, in fact, if the market, if from here also it couldn't break down, right, from here it came directly on upper side, and again it market is not able to break out from these levels on upper side, right, given a breakout, but the retest couldn't confirm an upper side yet, that can be coming down to those levels. I can go for again a short positions, right? So this is going to be very critical level whereby I can get some positions as well, and I have a chance of getting into losses as well. So I need to be very careful over here, right? Okay, so I will be observing this level so carefully, right? Okay, for the shots also, right, for the longs as well and the shorts as well, right? Okay, sometimes market happens to go till this levels, right, and it couldn't clarify, and again it will pull up and send you up on upper side as well. Okay, so we need to be very careful over here, right? Okay, market has a good chances of faking you out as well and giving you the direction also. It stands in the same place, right? Okay, so let's say guys, anyways, right, first plan directly breaking down on a downside. All right, second plan, rather than getting a breakdown, directly clearing out. That is a very easy and clean, nothing market doing you nothing else over there, right? But in fact market goes down, break down, but the retest couldn't pass, right, again come up, again break out on upper side and couldn't pass on upper side, and again going down. That is also in our plan, right? So you need to be very careful while you're planning over here, right? Okay, and for the longs as well, right, market trying to go for the upper side move, again come down till over here and again passing above these levels, that can be a long again, right? Okay, so this is the plan and understanding over here right now. Okay, so we have two levels to be watched, right? 166,248 and $160,334. So in this place it is going to be a little bit noisy, I guess, right? It may not give you the direct directions. It is going to be a little bit noisy. You need to be very careful over here, right guys? Okay, so that's all guys. Have a good time and take care. And this is just the plan, and accordingly the fifth, sixth plan is going to come soon, right, after the market happens to give you the directions, right, and what I'm doing over there, right? Okay, till then take care and have fun, right? Signing off, Dragon. Bye bye.